Hey, is your business a little strapped for cash and short on staff? But you need a miracle for your marketing? We feel you. Let us introduce you to the dynamic world of AI tools, where your budget stretches and your staff multiplies. Virtually, of course. So buckle up and get ready for this wild AI-powered ride that will make your marketing woes disappear quicker than you can say algorithm. Now, isn't that simply AI-mazing? Let's get this party started, shall we? The Great AI Keyword Hunt. Grab your digital shovel because we're going on a keyword treasure hunt. Our tool of choice, the wondrous AI keyword research tool from Ryan Robinson's website. Well, we'll just call it keyword tool for now. Anywho, it's like a metal detector for keywords. It's so cool. Type in your niche or base keywords and press go. It's that easy. The AI will spring into action and serve up keyword suggestions complete with search volume and difficulty. If you're feeling extra fancy, click the bulb icon, and the AI will whip up some snazzy title ideas. OMG, who knew keyword research could be so much fun? Tool number 2, AI tool for generating content prompts. For our next trick, we're about to pull out of our hat, is an absolute game changer for content creators. The KeywordsEverywhere plugin, paired with the magnificent beast ChatGPT. Oh, and did we mention it comes with an AI prompt template tool? Buckle up, because your content creation journey is about to go from tortoise pace to hare speed. First, you'll need to install the KeywordsEverywhere extension on your browser. The link is in the description below. Then mosey on over to the ChatGPT website and log in. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the left column of the ChatGPT website, you'll see an option that says Templates. Click it. This is your AI prompt template tool. It's here to help you draft the perfect prompt for whatever you want to get done. The prompts are entirely customizable. The tool will offer multiple options, and based on your choices, it will craft the perfect prompt. They've all been through the gauntlet, so you know you're getting the best of the best. Plus, you won't need to worry about saving them anywhere. They'll always be available on the ChatGPT website. Let's get this show on the road. From the left column on ChatGPT, select Templates. Choose a category. For this demo, we'll choose Copywriting. Next, choose a subcategory. We'll go with Blog Writing. Select a template. Our choice is Generate Complete Blog Post from Topic. You'll see a section titled Topic. Here's where you input the topic of your blog post. Lastly, before executing any prompt template, you can see and edit the exact prompt that will be sent to ChatGPT in the prompt template section at the bottom. There you have it, folks. The KeywordsEverywhere plugin and ChatGPT, your new best friends for content creation. Tool number 3, the Art of AI Copywriting. Welcome to the literary lounge of Writesonic, the Shakespeare of AI copywriting tools. The free edition gives you a whopping 10,000 words to play with. This tool is the Swiss Army knife of content creation. Articles, ads, e-commerce content, social media, you name it, Writesonic writes it. In this tutorial, we'll dabble with the AI product description generator and the Facebook ad creator. Type in some details, click generate, and watch the AI spin your inputs into gold. Now let's swing into action with Writesonic's AI product description generator. It's like having an SEO expert right at your fingertips. Here's how you get the ball rolling. 1. Punch in your product or service name. The AI is waiting eagerly. 2. Lay down the attributes of your product. The more descriptive, the better. 3. Select your tone of voice. Whether you're sassy or sophisticated, there's a tone for you. 4. Don't forget to drop your target keyword. This is the SEO gold nugget. 5. Choose your language and quality type. Yep, it's that detailed. 6. Press that shiny generate button and let the AI magic happen. Voila! You'll be met with an array of SEO-friendly product descriptions. Pick your favorite and copy that delightful prose. But wait, there's more! Let's dip our toes into Writesonic's AI tool for Facebook ads. 1. Enter your product or service name. Repetition is key in branding. 2. Detail your product. The devil's in the details, after all. 3. Got a special occasion or a promotion? Toss it in. It's all about capturing attention. 4. Again, choose your language and quality type. Consistency is queen. 5. Give that generate button another tap and watch the AI work its wonder. And there you have it, folks. A smorgasbord of Facebook ad content at your disposal. Choose your champion, copy and conquer. Tool number 4, the AI marketer. Extraordinaire. Step into the marketing future with Bhuman AI, the tool that connects businesses and customers with personalized videos. It's like hiring a marketing team for each customer. Create a personalized video with their pre-made templates, and the AI will whip up a unique video for each customer on your list. Download the videos, GIF images, or share them directly using MailChimp integration. The future of marketing is here, and it's powered by AI. Alrighty then, let's turn our full attention to Bhuman AI, the kingpin of boosting sales and conversion rates. This tool isn't just revolutionizing. It's shaking things up big time. Here's why. It creates unique, personalized videos for each customer, because who doesn't love a bit of personal touch? Before we get started on the step-by-step tutorial, let's hit play on their snazzy loan program demo video to see it in action.
Hi, Marcus. My name is Lucy here at your local Citibank branch. Something came across my desk that I thought you should know about. We've just launched a new personal credit program in your area, so I took the liberty to check your account, and it looks like you pre-qualify for a, let's see here, $20,000 line of credit. I'd love to get together with you, have a quick chat, see if you're interested in activating this. You can use the form below to book a time, and either myself or one of my colleagues will be happy to sign you up. All right, talk soon. Bye.
Okay, ready to make your own blockbuster? After registering with Bhuman AI, they'll slide you 15 free video credits just like that. Dash on over to the dashboard and click Community Template. Here, you can whip up a new video using their ready-to-go templates. Once you've picked the perfect one, give it a quick watch to make sure it's a good fit.
Hey, Name. I just got notified that you filled your shopping cart, but didn't proceed to check out. I know this is a little bit out of the blue, but...
Now, you're ready for the big leagues. Click Create New Campaign, and let's get this show on the road. Name your campaign, select your industry, and let the AI do its thing. The AI is going to generate videos for each customer in your CSV file if you're using one. Think of Bhuman AI as your personal movie director.
Hi, Christopher Frank. I just got notified that you filled your shopping cart, but didn't proceed to check out. I know this is a little bit out of the blue, but I wanted to personally get in touch, introduce myself, and see if you had any questions. We are more than happy to help, and in fact, I put a little discount code in this message to help you decide. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon.
You can download your videos, save them as GIFs, or use the automatically created online video version. What's next? It's sharing time. Send these custom-made videos to your customers either as attachments or by embedding the video link. Got a MailChimp account? You can even share them directly. Woohoo! Talk about being a power player in the marketing game. Let's go! You are doing it, baby.
But wait! There's more! Hang on to your seat, baby! Cause this one's a screamer!
Tool number 5. Drum roll, please. And, roll out the red carpet, because it's time for AdCreative AI. A superstar when it comes to crafting high conversion ads. Newcomers, don't sweat. They're rolling out 10 free credits to get you started. Feeling adventurous? Then join us in exploring AdCreative AI, your partner for creating high conversion ads. So how do you get in on this? Click Create Brand and type in your brand details like it's your phone number at a networking event. Think of it as your personal ad agency. Choose your ad format, add a project description, and define your target audience. And voila! The AI will whip up a bunch of compelling ads for you. Now, let's get a little picky. Select your ad format from their runway of ad templates. Add a project description and your target audience. It's like picking the perfect outfit for a first date. Once you're done, click Save and Continue. Although you can manually craft your ad headline and description, why do the hard work when the AI can do it for you? Just like your own private butler. Click Text AI, choose your language, and watch the magic happen. Still with me? Good. If you fancy, you can upload a background image or select from their free stock images by clicking the Image Search Engine button. It's like having an art gallery at your fingertips. Select the image that speaks to your brand or dabble with multiple options. There's no rush here. Take your time. Next, give your project a name and click Save and Generate. It's as easy as naming your favorite pet. Now for the grand finale. The AI will parade several options before you, each with its own conversion score. It's like speed dating for ads. Choose your perfect match and click Download to save the result. Talk about a happily ever after. These AI tools are fantastic, right? But let's face it, time is precious. If you love the power of AI but can't spare the time to harness it, we've got you covered. At Rooah, our Simple Plan business service includes all these AI benefits and more. We'll handle everything so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. Check us out today. Details are in the description below.